The first week of February. A misunderstood but ecologically important mammal. HISPID cotton rat. Sigmodon hispidus. The HISPID cotton rat is one of our 3 native species of rat here in the Lowcountry. The other 2 natives being the marsh rice rat, Oryzomys palustris, and eastern wood rat, Neotoma floridana. We also have 2 exotic species of rat, the roof or black rat, Rattus rattus, and the Norway or brown rat, Rattus norvegicus. Cotton rats are a common critter found throughout the state, yet they're not often seen. They are nocturnal and live underneath heavy vegetation and grasslands, particularly savannas, fallow fields, hayfields, salt marsh edges, and meadows. Hispid is a term that means covered in bristles, which is appropriate for this coarsely furred rodent. They get the cotton in their name from their abundance in cotton fields, where they use balls of cotton in their nests. The genus name Sigmodon translates directly into sigma tooth, or S-shaped tooth. This title describes the shape of their molars, which have a serpentine chewing surface. These S-shaped molars are important to their diet. Hispid cotton rats are primarily herbivorous, eating mostly the vegetation of grasses and forbs, as well as their seeds. Plants, particularly grasses, are difficult to make a living on, and must be chewed thoroughly to be properly digested. This requires flat grinding teeth, like those of the cotton rat. The bristly fur of the cotton rat is also important to its lifestyle. Their stiff fur pushes out against the heavy vegetation they live within, and protects their skin from sharp-edged grasses and blackberry thorns. Cotton rats are a crucial link in the food webs of grassland ecosystems. They are a primary food source of predators like owls, bobcats, foxes, coyotes, rattlesnakes, mink, harriers, hawks, and rat snakes. Cotton rats help influence the plant community by eating the seeds and shoots of grasses, allowing for openings in the understory where less dominant plant species can establish. This, in turn, can improve forage for other mammals and birds, as well as increase insect and pollinator diversity. Cotton rats are not a species that inhabits human dwellings. They may visit your bird feeder or barn at night, but they're gone by morning. Cotton rats live in fields and make nests under dense grass. Our native rats are important parts of the ecosystem that surrounds us, and should be treated with respect and courtesy, like any other species of wildlife. However, the exotic roof rat and Norway rat do not deserve such courtesies. These are the rats that invade homes, spread disease, destroy farm equipment, contaminate livestock feed, attack pets, kill threatened and endangered wildlife, and destroy native plant communities. They have earned the spite of man and deserve no quarter on this continent. This is why I do not recommend relocating rats caught in live traps. Native rats typically don't need relocating, and it is grossly irresponsible to release exotic rats into new habitats. If you think you have a rat problem, please take the time first to learn to identify between native and exotic rats, and help save our wildlife. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new. If you did, consider liking the video, and let me know in the comments what you learned. I'm planning to release these read-alongs weekly in 2025, so if you want to see more of these, subscribe down below. If you'd rather read yourself than listen to me, you're in luck! The script I just read is adapted from an online article series I write weekly, Flora and Fauna Friday. You can find it online at edisto.org/flora-fauna. The link's in the description. If you prefer to read from paper rather than a screen, you're in even more luck. You just heard me read a page directly out of a book I wrote, titled The Flora and Fauna of Edisto Island and the Lowcountry Sea Islands. The first book covers over 100 fascinating critters and plants in deep detail along stunning photography. It's a perfect primer on the unique ecology of the Sea Islands and makes a fantastic gift for any nature lovers in your life. Book number 1 in the series will be out spring 2025. You can pick up a copy online from eveningpostbooks.com. I've got a link in the description down below. Talk at you next week. Tom out.